Heading into Death Valley National Park. Still climbing up the pass to Daylight Pass Road. Not a bad climb, but we're still climbing. When the water comes ripping down this little valley to the left. That little berm keeps it from eroding away at the road. Because when it rains here, it don't rain a little, it rains a lot. Come down in the valley. Death Valley. I don't know if you can see it. The mountain to the left has snow on it. It's June right now. It still has snow. The miners used to go out there and melt snow for the to use in their sluices. I know that because I was a kid. I came in here and checked out all the mines all the time. It's my dad's favorite hobby. Rest in peace. That's Death Valley right there. Below sea level. I don't know how well it's coming out in this GoPro, but oh my goodness. It's really cool. Amazing. All that salt, sand, volcanic rock. It's amazing. It's really cool. We're heading down towards Furnace Creek. As you can see, you might understand why it's called Furnace Creek. Because there ain't no water. Not to be had anywhere. You don't bring it in, you don't got it. It's 101 out. So it's really it's just heating up here in June. It'll get 115, 120 on a regular daily basis here. Just roasting. It's amazing. We're even still alive as the kids, coming out here with my dad and camping, looking for gold mines. Still see that mountain way up there. There's snow on it still. Where those clouds are hitting it. They can still get snow this late in the year too. That mountain is, I think it's 7,000 some feet.